Hello, it's me again. I'm sorry for getting all these tutorials, but we just need to get everything covered, make sure that everybody's doing the same thing, and hopefully these video tutorials can already answer future questions ahead of time. I know that we have already talked about setting prerequisites on our assignments on a Math Excel so that we can assure ourselves and the kids that they will not be moving on to the next lesson without mastering or satisfying the requirements first from the previous lesson. So if you have forgotten or if you are not sure how to set the how you can set the prerequisites on each assignment, then this tutorial is for you. Now, every time you create a new assignment, okay, if you create a new assignment, and let me just do a random whatever in here, put a question, okay, because the important part here is on the settings part, okay. Every time you create a new assignment, you can already set a prerequisite within it, all right. So that is here under access control. It says here prerequisite, so you change that. And for that particular assignment or work or whatever that is, what do you require the students to do first before they can access that? So that is where you will select the prerequisite on this option, all right? So once you have that, and then you can set that assignment. Now, is there a faster way? Let's say you have multiple assignments that you forgot to set the prerequisites on. Definitely, there's a quick way to do that. So still on Assignments Manager, you click on More Tools, and you see here, Set Prerequisite. All right. And as you can see, I did not put any prerequisites on this. And by the way, just for I don't know, disclaimer or what, I'm using the dummy account. All right. I'm not trying to play with the ones from the kids' access. So as you can see, I did not put any prerequisite, meaning if I did not put any prerequisite in here and all these things are assigned, the kids can go through them without stopping, all right? And we don't want that. The purpose of Modern Classroom is for them to be able to get to the next lesson, master the previous one. So remember, the very first video, it doesn't have any prerequisite, but the very first practice will only be available if they have done the lesson video. So what should be the prerequisite of the practice? It should be that video lesson. All right. So how many percent? Well, because it's a video lesson, they have to have 100% on it. They have to submit, I think, that extra question in there, and that's not going to be a very hard one. All right. Now, for the mastery check, when will the mastery check open? When a certain percent was reached from the practice, okay? So our prerequisite for the mastery check is the previous practice, okay? So what will be the percentage that you would like the kids to reach to be qualified to do the mastery check? So that's on you. You want it 85%? I would say 85% would be a good, I mean, that's decent already, all right? And then this is where the importance of having the video in Math Excel is. So the next video lesson needs to be will only open after this mastery check was already done. And so the prerequisite of this lesson is the mastery check. And the mastery check is down here on quizzes. So 1.1 mastery check. What will be the percentage that you would set for the mastery check before the next lesson opens? So if you have multiple assignments that you need to set prerequisite on, that option will be inside, let me just close this one. Again, you can find it in More Tools and then Set Prerequisites. Okay? I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you.